What's up, everybody? Wayne with Our Time Adventures. I'm on Maryland's eastern shore in St. Michael's today. It's down near where I actually spent all my summers growing up, crabbing and fishing on Tillman Island. Since work has prevented me from getting out and doing some oyster myself, I'm at the Chesapeake Landing. I'm going to buy some, and when I get back to the house, I'll show you guys a couple recipes that we enjoy. Hope you guys enjoy them as well. Okay, so we're back home and in the kitchen. I'm going to show you 3 ways how we do our oysters. Rockefeller, put them on the grill, and we steam them. But before I do that, I want to show you guys how to shuck one. Either with a shucking knife, or if you don't have one of those, with a screwdriver. So first, let's start with the knife. Make sure you have a rag. Push down on the oyster and find the knuckle in the back. Once you find that knuckle, stick the knife in there and give it a twist. Open it up and then cut the membrane on the top and cut the membrane on the bottom, and there you have it. So that's with the shucking knife. Now, same thing with a screwdriver. Take a screwdriver, find that knuckle, put it in there, give it a twist. Now with a screwdriver though, you're not going to have the ability to cut it. So you got to take a different kind of knife and cut the membrane. And that's how you shuck an oyster. Okay, here's how I do my oyster Rockefeller. First, preheat your oven to 450 degrees. Lay a bed of kosher salt on a baking pan. Take some Stouffer's pre-made spinach quiche. Put a dab of that on your oyster. Put some bacon bits on it. And a little bit of mozzarella cheese. The kosher salt will keep the oysters from flipping over and all the juices spilling out. We're going to bake these for approximately 8 minutes. Okay, so again, oven set at 450. Put them in there for 8 minutes. They're going to come out delicious. So while the oyster Rockefeller was cooking, I took my can cooker, put a cup of water in it, put the oysters in there, and now you bring the water to a boil, then put the lid on, and then let it steam for 8 minutes. So that's what you want to see, is the cheese just golden brown on top. Yeah, 2 more minutes for the steamed, and then I'll show you how to grill them. Okay, so let's see how the steamed ones turned out. Be careful, open your lid so you don't get burned. They are cooked perfect. Perfect. So here's our recipe for grilling oysters. Take panko plain breadcrumbs. Put those on first. Okay. Take grated Parmesan cheese. Put that on next. Okay, and what you have to do is you take a stick of butter and you cut it into about 1/4 inch thick chunks, right? And then put 1 piece of butter on top of every one. Because once the butter is melted, that's when you know you're ready to pull them off the grill. Okay, I'll see you outside. We'll put these on the grill. Okay, so I brought my grill up to about 450 degrees. I'm gonna put the oysters on now. And once the butter's melted, they are done. Okay, we'll check them in a couple minutes. As soon as the butter's melted, we'll be taking them off the grill. Okay, it's been a few minutes. Let's open the grill, see how they look. Butter is just about melted. Okay, while the oysters are cooking, let's melt down some butter. Let's check these again. These are going to be delicious. Okay, we got our butter melted down now, and our last oysters are done. Okay, I'll see you guys inside. I'm gonna plate these up. Kim and I are gonna sit down and give them a try. All right, Kim, let me know what you think.
I am right now.
First the steamed, and a little bit of butter.
Good.
Good?
Mm-hmm.
Try the Rockefeller.
I made a mess. It's this one, I think, right? Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Looks good. Trying to get it.
Did you get an oyster?
Mm-hmm. Mm.
Good?
Good. Mm-hmm.
And then try the steamed.
Yes.
The grilled.
Looks good. Mm. Good.
Good?
Mm-hmm. Mm. Really good.
Another thing you guys can try is some Chesapeake sauce. Chesapeake pub sauce. I got that down at Chesapeake Landing when I bought the oysters. If you guys enjoyed this video, please subscribe, hit the like button, and feel free to leave us a comment below. Look forward to seeing you guys again.